Python3 project remove __pycake__ folders and .pyc files. What is the best way to clear out all the __pycake__ folders and .pyc.po files from a Python3 project? I have seen multiple users suggest the Pyclean script bundled with Debian, but this does not remove the folders. I want a simple way to clean up the project before pushing the files to my DVS.
I found the answer myself when I mistyped Pyclean as Pyclean. Running Python3 cleaned it up very nicely.
You can do it manually with the next command. This will remove all .pyc and .po files as well as __pycache__ directories recursively starting from the current directory.
macOS and Linux. BSD's find implementation on macOS is different from NewFind. This is compatible with both BSD and NewFind. Start with a globbing implementation, using name and the O for or put this function in your .bashrc file. Then cd to the directory you want to recursively clean, and type Pyclean. New find only. This is a new find only, i.e. Linux, solution, but I feel it's a little nicer with the regex. Any platform using Python3. On Windows, you probably don't even have find. You do, however, probably have Python3, which starting in 3.4 has the convenient pathlib module. The B flag tells Python not to write .pyc files. See also the Python3 by techcode environment variable. The above abuses list comprehensions for looping, but when using Python C, style is rather a secondary concern. Alternatively, we could abuse, for example, __import__. Critique of an answer. The top answer used to say, this would seem to be less efficient because it uses 3 processes. Find takes a regular expression, so we don't need a separate invocation of grep. Similarly, it has delete, so we don't need a separate invocation of rm, and contrary to a comment here, it will delete non-empty directories so long as they get emptied by virtue of the regular expression match. From the Zargs man page. Find files named core in or below the directory /tmp and delete them, but more efficiently than in the previous example, because we avoid the need to use fork2 and exec2 to launch rm, and we don't need the extra zargs process.
Since this is a Python3 project, you only need to delete __pycache__ directories. All .pyc/.po files are inside them. Note, using delete instead of exec rm art \+ won't work because it can't delete non-empty directories. Alternatively, if you're doing this in a directory that's under revision control, you can tell the RCS to ignore __pycache__ directories recursively. Then, at the required moment, just clean up all the ignored files. This will likely be more convenient because there'll probably be more to clean up than just __pycache__.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.